God bless you all, my lovely brothers and sisters. As you are coming in, please help me to share this video. If you are seeing me for the first time, please go and subscribe, my lovely brothers and sisters. Hit that like button, hit that that notification bell by your right hand side so that whenever I upload any video here, you will be the first person to be notified. It will not cost you anything, my lovely brothers and sisters. Please help me to share this video. My lovely brothers and sisters, God bless you as you are coming in. God bless you as you are watching me. This is a very good message that will help our organization, that will help our society. This is a very useful message. My dear lovely brothers and sisters, you know, there are a lot of things that are going on in this Obodo Ibo. Some people don't really know. At times it's good. At times, you know, at times I will come here and do the broadcast of they are sharing documents, they are doing this, they are doing that. You know, we are Marriage Solution Prayer House. It's a good thing. My daughter just put to bed. It's a very good thing. But fortunately, because it's a happy day, but I'm not there with her. So at times, this thing happened to a lot of us. It happened to many of us, many of our youth today, many of our people today who find themselves in that same position or in that same difficulty. Majority of at times, some people at times they will be facing this crisis of when they put to birth this omuguo of 18. That is why I say, because she just told me, say, mommy, bring the topic and use it to enlighten or throw light on that area. Majority of our people and majority of our brothers and sisters that are in the society today, they are pass through one stress or another. You as a mother now, you know what they try to talk. Omugo stress. Omugo. It's a happy something. I'm happy now. But majority of most time at times, especially in the situation at times, those people that are born or those people that put to birth where their mother is not there or their parents are not there. Their parents are not there. They are always facing one problem or another. You know, at times, different crises that they face for marriage. Different crises is what they face in marriage. There are economic crises. There are different kind of crises. There are this crisis. There is the other crisis. Economic crisis. This, that. At times, family crisis can come to your marriage. This omugo at times I take it like omugo crisis, because at times, when some women put to birth at times, it's another stress for them. It's another crisis for them. It's another crisis for them. That is where most of some men, or not be all of them, some men, you know, see as I take the specify and so some men at times they always have the time, or all those, not be all of them, because there are some responsible men out there. There are some responsible men out there. All the daddies in the house, all those responsible ones, may God bless you now. Those ones will not still responsible. If you hear this video, you go responsible in Jesus' name. So when some women are facing that kind of omugo crisis, especially when that woman put to birth newly, at times, some women at times, it's always problem for them. You know that place now. At times, for them to somebody that will take care of them, somebody that will heal them, to somebody that will take proper care of them. We know at times after you put to birth in the hospital, you can't go where this, that. No, that one is still not enough. You know, at times, some women are there. They don't really, especially first issue. That is why I'm here. First issue is always giving some people some kind of stress, especially when your father and your mother is not there. When your father and your mother is not there, it's always becoming some marriage crisis to some people, some marriage crisis to some people, or mugo crisis to some people. It will be a stress for them because they don't really know how to take care of themselves. As a responsible man, my dear lovely daddy in the house, as you are watching me, if your wife put to birth, when your wife put to birth, maybe friends are not there, especially people that put to birth or do their marriage or do their wedding, they start their life in Obodo Ibo, or apart from not Obodo Ibo, without their father or their mother, nobody is there to take care of them. You as the man, when your wife put to bed, your role, you are the one that is supposed to be doing that omugo. Yes, that is when you normally show your wife the love. Hear this message, my dear lovely brothers and sisters, my dear lovely brothers. That is area I'm going to, because at times I've seen somebody, because we don't want to be mentioning names. Somebody put to bed, after the woman have put to bed, she was having pain in her pekus. She was not working well. After how many days? She can't even stand. When the husband is dead, I mean. When the husband is there. When the husband there with him. When the husband there with him, you don't even need somebody. You will call your husband. Put hot water. Put hot water for buckets. Put on small Dettol. Tell your husband, make your husband come help you press the place. You don't need somebody to help you to do it. That's why I'm saying, because she just say, Mommy, just bring it out to people so that you can use it to enlighten people. Instead of calling people, calling this, calling the other one, calling the other one. My lovely sister, is it not Sister Evelyn? God bless you, my lovely sister. Thank you for joining us. Instead of calling people, calling this, because at times, people that you call at times, to come and assist you in that area. There are some women, not all of them, or some people. Maybe if the person is your relative, is okay. If he's a good friend, is okay. Okay, I still remember. Sister Evelyn, God bless you, my lovely sister, for joining us. If this person happens to be your sister, is okay. But there are some people out there. Some of them, you say, when I say as I specify, and so some people are just there because that time we all move when you just newly take born. Now it be say that devil they use them because you know say that place they know they go. They know your fiancé or your husband know they go that place again. He want to take over. Don't allow somebody to take position, take your position. No, as you just put to bat. Now that time, then you will take fine. Now that time, then you will take day more sassy. Don't give anybody that chance for somebody to come and colobby your position. No. What you are supposed to do, when you put what, even though your husband is at work, if it's time for him to start coming back home, if you are living together, if it's time for him to start coming back home, you can tell him to come. When he come, if you are going to the bedroom, you have to ask him to accompany you there. Because do you know why I'm saying this thing? Is a report that just came that somebody that put to birth because nobody was taking proper care of her women that put to birth, you know what I'm talking of. She had been infected with disease and she had been sick all this while. So it's a good something. Having children or after putting to birth is a very good something, but you have to take proper care of yourself. The person that will help you to take proper care of yourself is not just your friend. It's not just your mother, because your mother does not know that place. Your father does not know that place. Your friend does not know. It's your husband. I will keep saying it. I will keep saying it. May your daddy's in the house. This is the message for you. That is the time you should show her love. You carry and go there, use her the touch her body one. See the kiss her for mat. Use her the touch her head. You touch all the body. Not be say you will go and allow somebody. Because that is your privacy. Don't allow your third party to go and be seeing that place. You are the person that is supposed to be seeing that privacy. You will accompany her to the bedroom. You will take her to the place. You will take proper care of her. Pet her. That is where she needs your pain, because that pain is the sweetest thing on earth. Omugo. Omugo pain is the sweetest thing on earth. That's why I'm saying it that. Well, that's why I'm saying that. That's why I'm always saying it. If you know your worth, if you know the value of you are a woman, if your man, no, a man does not value you, Yes, so my lovely sister, thank you for that lovely comment. If a man does not value you, and this man, simply because you have age and this, you want to go and use by force to go and born for that man, no, don't do it. Because if you know the pain of Omugo, and when your father is not there, if you are doing it in Africa, it's even good because your father is there, your mother is there, somebody is there to assist you to do it. But this Obodo Ibo, You know what they talk of now. Where be say that thing, they don't, you don't come out for the job clean and pack, they'll throw you come out. Maybe na CS you take bon, whether na CS or na normal or na the same labor. Because the labor where you no labor, where be say before they come out, after this thing, you will still do that labor. So that pain, you need your husband to stay with you and help you, the both of you. We hold yourself together, share that pain, hug yourself together, and feel yourself together. Don't allow any somebody will come, because I've seen different occasions. Some kind of person will come. Whereas they come, they want to come and seduce the husband. They want to come and he will wear short skirt. He want to help you to take proper care of yourself. It's your privacy. It does not need third person, whether the person is a woman or is a man or no. Your husband is the person that is seeing it. She is the person. He is the person. I mean, he is the person that is supposed to accompany you to the bedroom or accompany you to the place you will take proper care of yourself. That is the message for today on Mugo, because my daughter was just calling. I said, it's all of you to be calling me and be calling people around. I said, why can't you just apply this idea, this wisdom of ask your husband to help you to take care of that place for you? And she accepted. I say, this is a very good something that we tell our people in our society today. Is the new era, because those days, all those our mama and papa, village this thing, maybe call them for our papa, mama, they'll say, woman, wait, you live born, man, not the nearer, this or that. That is Africa. Grandmom is there, grandpa is there, they have, everybody is there. But this obodo, no obodo ibo, nobody is there. Even in those days, they will be saying, a woman that just put to bed, it cannot bend down her head and pick things from the ground. Who will help you to pick something from the ground? Nobody. You are there alone. That's why you need your husband by your side. That's why you have to give yourself to a man that know your worth, a man that know your value, a man that know the value of children, a man that know the pain which you are passed through, a man that know your worth, that know that this thing, my mother have been there before. This thing, my sister have been there before. This thing, my auntie have been there before. This thing is where I came from, and I know the pain. When somebody is in that pain, she needs somebody to assist. Please don't come in and don't come in and please. If you want to call on my line, not messenger. Please don't be offended for not picking your line. Please, I'm so sorry. So that is it. I will keep saying it, my dear lovely brothers and sisters. You have to, in this world, this world of our new era today, there are certain things which have really changed. Because they will say in those days, the bedroom where ma for the bath, the bedroom where ma for the bath. Well, not vessel. When I still remember an African maternity, bedroom where ma for the bath. If you near woman when you live born, something go come, pause go come hold you for body. But the time when they go that place, when they do I go J. The thing no, the pause not hold you for body. The bedroom where woman for the bath. If ma go there, now so they forbid abomination. No abomination not there. Those are superstition. You know they. But this one will be saying that your wife now put to bath, so he needs you. She needs you to stay by her. And another one also, that one they irritating, but I will say it because things are really going on. If you people see in our society today, the rate of breast cancer for our young mothers, the rate which they are developing breast cancer is too much. Do you know why? Somebody, a nurse from America, just detected that after they have stopped breastfeeding their children, majority of them, you know, in Africa, some of them, they will wash their breast, or they will use whether chalk or whatever, native chalk, I don't remember. They will use native herb to wash their breast. Majority of our young mothers that put to bath in Europe, they don't do it. They don't do it simply because they are in Europe. It's not their fault. And some of them will go and meet their doctor. Maybe doctor will give them medicine. You are, I'm going to go a paso. You want to stop your baby now. Stop breastfeeding him now, or stop breastfeeding her. That area alone, you still need your husband to stay by you. You still need your husband, because at times some people will go and take medicine, and some people will take some kind of some certain things. At times, that milk will still not go. That milk will still not go. Some people don't know. The milk will still be there. My dear lovely brothers and sisters, please try and take proper care of yourself. If you have children or your child is still breastfeeding, after the child have stopped breastfeeding, the first thing, go and meet your medical doctor so that they will write something for you. You go and do control and check your breast. Yes, and when you are breastfeeding, when the baby, because some people, at times, when they want to stop breastfeeding their children, it will be a problem for them. It will be a stress. We will ask them why. He say because if they fear, say that pain. Really, it's painful. It's really painful when you want to stop breastfeeding your child. Mothers say, I want me to see una coming. It really is painful. But that area, at times, your husband needs to assist you. Your husband needs to assist you. In one way, it's very, very difficult. It is very, very difficult. When you know that in this our new era, in this our new world, things are now changing. You can, when the baby has stopped the breastfeeding, you know the pus will be coming out maybe 2-3 days. It will be swollen. You know what? Mothers know what I'm talking of now. It will be swollen. It will be swollen, and that water there is very, very dangerous for the head. So at times, go and meet your doctor, something to wash it away, or you use machine to pump it. If you cannot have medicine or machine to pump it, I pray that you have a lovely husband. God bless you, my lovely brothers and sisters. I pray you have a lovely husband. When you have a lovely husband, your husband is in the position, because the way your baby have been drawing the baby, drawing the milk, you know now he or the baby has stopped the sucking now. The something will be, it will be congealing. It will be congeal. It go that thing na bad thing, oh. My dear lovely brothers and sisters, not play with her, oh. We not play with her. This is marriage solution prayers. I can never allow any of my brothers or any of my sisters, any of my followers to start having health issue. It shall never be your portion in Jesus' name. That thing a very bad thing. If you see the thing don't they congeal, pet, not go shout for your husband, go they beat your husband. No. Call your daddy. Call him daddy. Call him honey. Call him the sweetest name on earth. Call her, go bedroom. May help use mat, they drill her. As you they drill her, carry toothbrush and toothpaste. They may say wash it. It's the best. Because this daughter from America, this thing, she was telling me everything about how our youth, especially our black, the way they are bringing them to hospital. I say, cancer. I say, I just say na person where you get BB breast, now they get cancer. You say no. You say majority of this whole thing, if they don't born finish, after they have finished breastfeeding their children, this is where the problem is always lying on. I say, I don't know. I don't really know. She was telling me about this thing, about how some of them, where I talk about Omugo first, say some women at times, if they put to bed at times, their inner room apartment, their kpekus, no be their fault. It never felt born before. You know, they maintain our way. Infection go come. Infection go. Good afternoon, my lovely brother, Dokas Ogbebo. God bless you, my lovely brother. Please, when you just watch this video, please help me to share it. You can save your sister, you can save your auntie, you can save your girlfriend as well. Okay, God bless you. You understand? So when they say they go put to bath finish, when they say they go put to bath finish, they don't take proper care of themselves. Nobody to help them to take care of themselves. Infection go come. The rate where cancer, that the message. The rate where cancer they chop people now. That is just the cause. They don't born finish. They don't maintain mekos. They don't stop breastfeeding finish. They don't drain the milk come out. Those two things. Please, my dear lovely brothers and sisters, because alert is always coming. The rate of death, young person don't die, young person don't die. Now this minority person you take and like, I beg now. No, for Africa, they not cancer not too high like this those days. Papa and mama, the village people, they all those our papa, mama carry their help, carry leave, use and take wash and use native cho, all those their native eba, use and take wash and come out. You carry they go, but for here. For Bodo Ibo, Papa no dey there. Mama no dey there. Nobody dey there. So, my dear lovely daddies in the house, may God bless all of you now. If your wife born, please, that is when you will show her love. Those two things. Make sure you help her to be treating her kpekus. May I treat? Make sure you may they use hot water to help her take the breast. No let somebody help you do it. That is the best healing. Help her, they treat her. Then another one, if she wants stop best feeding, use mat, take go help and drain and come out. I know see it irritates. And my lady like, okay, your name look like, okay, Dorcas Ogbe, okay. Sorry, oh, my lovely auntie, God bless you. You understand? I think say you be, the picture I don't see her will be like, ma, not vex my auntie. That is it. Because this our new era, if we can help ourselves like this, and the person that is doing this broadcast on how to help to move on our future, how to help our people. When somebody see this video now, you share it. When you share it, it will not cost you anything, my lovely brothers and sisters. That person that owns this message, that is in that position, we know that Ruben Doris says so and so thing. Maybe the person is pregnant now, or maybe the auntie or the friend or the sister is in that position. When the person receives this message, the person will be aware of, this kind of thing. This kind of thing na true.